I love you till the day I die.
So don't die today, please don't die today.
Everything but you is an ugly lie.
That's not how you pray, that's not what you say.
If I'm here when you're gone, I'll fall apart.
Stop your crying now, stop your crying now.
What's the point of life without my heart?
You're not dying now, you'll survive.
Do you want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? It's been the night since you've been gone.
Please, I have to go, please, please let me go.
What's the use of writing one more song?
Cause it's what you know, cause it's what you know.
It was you and me, that's what you said.
And it's always true, aren't I here with you?
I may look alive, but inside I'm
Well,
dead.
let's make it true, let's make
Do
it
you
true.
want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do. You want to die together? Yes I do, yes I do.
Watching my fish swim in my room, floating around, I think of you. No rhyme or reason, you're just in my head, and I'm alone in my bed. I'm listening to the songs you told me to. I don't really like them, but I'll pretend for you. I'll learn some lyrics so I can sing when you do, but I keep thinking if only you knew. When I'm not around, you don't care. And even when I make a sound, you don't know that I'm there. I listen to you rant about your shitty life, even though I know that I can make it better. And I'm not saying I'd be the best boyfriend, but I'd always lend you my sweatshirt when you're cold. And when you hear the song, you won't know it's about you, 'cause you're oblivious to my feelings, and that's fine. But I hope when you hear it, you'll add it to a playlist of your favorite songs of all time.